many fails, many flats. The struggles of recording. What is up, guys? It's me, Rainbow99. Welcome to my channel. For today, we're here in the studio, and this is Sound Garage. We have Kuya BJ, hi Kuya BJ, and Kuya Roy, who's right there, and my sister Cam. Nope. So I will be recording 2 songs today. The first song is entitled Never Out of Love. I wrote this last 2015 and I plan to include this song on my upcoming EP. Stay tuned. And for the second song, I still have to decide on the title since it's an instrumental, piano instrumental. And the song is also dedicated to my brother. I wrote this last March, like when in quarantine, the first month of quarantine. I wrote this song, and now since we're in GCQ, General Community Quarantine, I am now able to record my songs in the studio. So, let's go. Hi Kuya Roy! Say hi! Tara, gumubusing sa Sound Garage. Kani? Sayo sa ka Kuya Joy. Maghabog kang last ga record ani.
Ade, ako na dyan. Ingat betul nga, ma-recording ayaw kalimti ang height. Joke lang.
Ha? Unsa?
Wow!
Kung mag-record ay kalimti ang height?
Joke.
Christ.
Magahil yan, takat. Wala na yung height siya.
Kulang po
Joke,
ako
joke.
sa height. Wala daw akong height.
Joke.
Guys, this is Bella. Hi. Binili ko ito sa Laguna Enchanted Kingdom.
Dugayan.
Yeah, ay hindi ko binili. Parang I won this sa Enchanted Kingdom last 2011. So, every time na nagka-cover ako ng piano, nilagay ko dito. Bella. Testing angle. Testing.
Not for funny, actually.
I'm funny.
Funny smelling. 2011. Pero wala yung sumpari.
What am I, a loser?
You are.
I know. Did you take that?
Yep.
It's recording.
Yeah, it's recording.
Great.
Everybody-
Now I'm funny. I'm only funny when you guys roast me.
Everybody knows you're a loser.
At least he's there. She is there for me. Balik. What did you say? I'm funny?
Mama sa ka to. Sorry, kumuha ni anak ko. Nga na, ay matahingan.
Nga na, mangugko, magpipiyong. I'm Sunny Choi, man. So that was the first song, and we finally decided on a title para sa instrumental. It's The Eagle's Plight. So why Eagle's Plight? Kasi yung kuya ko, isa siyang Boy Scout dati nung nasa high school siya. And when you're an Eagle Scout, it's basically the highest honor given to a Boy Scout. So Boy Scouts of the Philippines. And plight means when you're in a difficult situation. So sa panahon natin ngayon, with the pandemic that we are facing, My brother is a frontliner, and since he works in the hospital, most of the time he's away from the family. He can't go home often. So we hope and pray that Manoy will be safe and he will go through this difficult situation, this plight. So that's why the song is entitled Eagle's Plight. And the next song that I will be recording is Never Out of Love. So I wrote this song last 2015, basically my first heartbreak. And the message of the song tells us that we will never run out of love. Love is not defined within the context of a relationship between isang lalaki at babae. So it's like, we will never run out of love. Love is everywhere. Love is within our family, in God, in our friends, in our sister. Basically, love makes the world go round. We'll never run out of love. When there's love, there's life. Shekinah Sophia 2020. Let's go. Okay na ko, Kuya. Well, karon? Well, then, well, fail, many fails, many flats. The struggles of recording. Perlaban lang. If we ever run out of love, when it's the force that makes the whole world go round, and it's the fire that's burning inside our hearts, and will we ever run out of love?
A few moments later.
So finally, natapos na ako mag-record sa 2 songs, Never Out of Love and The Eagle's Plight. Actually, marami akong mga fails, mga peak moments. Kasi madali lang akong mapapaos. Madali lang akong mapaos. And recording in the studio is challenging, but it's very worth it in the end. And marami ding mga errors along the way. So I'd like to thank Kuya Roy of Sound Garage and also Kuya BJ for being the sound engineers for today. And also to my sister who's behind the cam. Say hi, sister. Nope. Yeah, thank you so much, guys, and thank you for watching. Make sure to like and click the subscribe button if bago ka pa lang sa channel ko. And click the notification bell, Team Kalimbang. Hindi ko nadala yung Kalimbang ko. Team Kalimbang, yes! Click the notification bell para updated kayo sa aking mga uploads and live streams. Till the next vlog!